When you arrive in nature, you find your true nature from within. When you really arrive in nature, you will connect with yourself as you otherwise would not have been able to arrive in nature. When you arrive in nature, you can only enter there from within, from your own amazing nature. And the easiest way to do this is through sensing and perceiving. And so I invite you to let go of your thoughts. Let go of all hurry and just arrive here. Let go of all time concerns and whatever is running through your head. Perceive nature and sense within yourself while you perceive nature. Sense the beauty of nature within yourself, and what you find inside of you, you will find outside in nature. Find beautiful harmony within yourself, and you see it out there in nature. Open yourself to further dimensions of life, and nature will lead you there. Let us discover the amazing beauty of life together. See you soon and have an amazing day.